Here's how to play audio on two devices at once in Windows 11. So, if you want to play audio through your laptop speakers and headphones simultaneously, or use two separate speakers at once, I'll show you how to set it up. First, open your internet browser and search for Voicemeeter. From the results, open the official VB Audio Voicemeeter website and scroll down until you find the download option. Click on Download and wait for the file to finish downloading. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded folder and launch the Voicemeeter setup file. Follow the installation steps and click Install to install the application on your computer. After the installation has finished, you'll need to restart your computer. Go ahead and restart your system before continuing with the next steps. Once your computer has restarted, open the Start menu, search for Settings, and open it. From the left-hand side, select System, then click on Sound. Scroll down to the bottom and select More Sound Settings. In the Playback tab, look through the list of available audio devices and find Voicemeeter Input. Select it and click Set Default to make it your default playback device. Once you've done that, click OK to save the changes. Now, open the Start menu and launch the Voicemeeter application. To send audio to two different devices at the same time, we're going to use the A1 and A2 outputs. The A1 output will be your primary audio device. Click the drop-down arrow next to A1 and select the device you want to use as your main audio output. For example, you can choose your laptop's built-in speakers, headphones. Next, we'll configure the A2 output for the second device. Click the drop-down arrow next to A2 and choose your secondary audio device. This could be a pair of headphones, AirPods, or another set of speakers connected to your computer. Once you've selected both devices, close the selection menus. Now, whenever you play audio on your computer, the sound should be sent through both your primary and secondary devices simultaneously. If it's not working, open Settings again and open More Sound Settings. Make sure Voicemeeter Input is still selected as your default playback device. As long as Voicemeeter Input is set as the default device and your A1 and A2 outputs are configured correctly, your audio should play through both devices at the same time. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.